Graphical representation of motion. A graph is a pictorial representation of the relation between two sets of data, of which one set is of dependent variables and the other set is of independent variables. In a displacement time graph, displacement is a dependent quantity taken on the y-axis and time is taken on the x-axis as it is independent. If the position of an object changes with time, it is said to be in motion. If an object has equal displacements in equal intervals of time, then the graph is a straight line inclined with the x-axis, which represents uniform motion of the object. If the graph is a curve, it represents non-uniform motion. The slope of displacement time graph gives velocity of the object. We will go through this in detail after a short interactivity.